This is Wallet Brief, where we break down what actually moved the US economy this week, without the noise. If prices, interest rates, jobs, housing, or taxes are quietly changing your money, this is where you stay informed. Let's get into what really happened this week, and what it means for your wallet. Stock market today is showing a bounce back, as markets recover after a recent pullback. After slowing momentum, investors are stepping back in, bringing renewed movement to the market. What's driving the stock market today is a return of buying interest. After markets cooled off, some investors are seeing opportunities again and re-entering positions. This often leads to a short-term recovery after a period of decline. The real trend behind the headline is resilience. Markets are adjusting, but they're also showing the ability to recover quickly. This kind of movement suggests that underlying confidence hasn't fully disappeared, it's just been more cautious. For your wallet, the stock market today can bring a sense of recovery. If you saw recent declines in your investments, this bounce can help restore some of that value. However, it may not yet signal a long-term trend, just a reaction to recent conditions. There's also a broader economic effect. When markets recover, businesses often regain confidence more quickly. That can support spending, hiring, and investment decisions, which ultimately affect household finances. At the same time, rebounds can be temporary. Markets often move in cycles, and short-term recoveries don't always mean sustained growth. Looking ahead, investors will watch whether this recovery builds momentum or fades. If confidence continues to improve, markets could move higher. If uncertainty returns, movement could become uneven again. That's your wallet brief for this week. These changes don't always make headlines, but they do change how much you pay, save, and earn. We'll be back next week with